So it's your boy Yashvi Gaming. Well, if you're in this channel, guys, I would like you to kill me and smash the subscribe button right about now. Also, don't forget to ring that bell notification and give this video following thumbs up. Okay, boys. So in this video, guys, I'm about to show you how you're gonna launch an RDP, okay, which is considered as an EC2 RDP in your Amazon AWS account. Okay. So first of all, which means you have logged into your AWS. Okay, so you are in the home page, which is the management console. So you're gonna build a solution. Okay, so how do we create RDP? All right, so you click on this launch a virtual machine on with EC2. Okay, click on launch a virtual machine. All right, here basically step one, it is asking us to choose an AMI. Okay, this is basically an operating system. Okay, it's asking us to choose your operating system if you'd like to work with Linux, Ubuntu, or Windows. So we are about to, for this demo, I'm gonna use Windows. Okay, as you can see, Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base version. Okay, this is 64-bit. All right, I'm gonna select that, and here, as you can see, as per your tier, okay, you get this T2 Micro. It's a free tier and it is available, it is eligible with your AWS account. This only 1 CPU cores and 1 gigs of memory. Okay, that's good. Well, you can increase that. You can choose a 4 cores and at least 4 gigs of RAM or 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, so next, click next, and here number of instances. Okay, how much instances you want to create? I'm only gonna create 1. Okay, by here you don't have to do anything on this page. I'm just gonna leave that by default, and I'm gonna click add click next to add storage. Okay, so by default here, guys, storage, as you can see, the default size is 30. Now as per your means, you can increase this. Okay, let's say you want to work on 60 GB. Okay, but as I said, this video is only for a demo. Okay, it's only a guide. Okay, so I'm just gonna click next. Okay, I'm gonna hit next, and here you're gonna on a step 5, it's you gotta have to create tags. So you're gonna click on add tag. Okay, here you're gonna give it a name. So I'm gonna, let's see, stick with my name, and alright, like this, and you're gonna click next to configure the security group. Okay, and make sure that when you're here, so the security group, so you're gonna Windows Server. Okay, Windows Server security, just copy that and paste that here. Well, you can change that into any name, but just give any name. Okay, all right, but make sure here that the port range is open on this port. Okay, so 3389. Okay, and right here it is on custom, so you have to change the IP address to anywhere. Okay, so anywhere on this range, all right, you'll get RDP. Okay, so yeah, leave that to RDP. Okay, and if you'd like to add HTTP or POP3, okay, this one's, or the IMAP, you can add IMAP as well, but I'm just gonna make 1 RDP. Okay, so next, after you've done all of that, just click review and launch. Okay, here you can review from step 1 to step 7 what you have done. Okay, what you've done so far, and once you're ready, just click launch, and here it's asking us to choose an existing pair of here. If there's no key pairs found, then you have to create a new key pair. Okay, so I'm gonna call this my key. Okay, and you need to download this key. Okay, it's an encrypted key, so of course this is gonna be downloaded, as you can see, my key .pem. Okay, the PEM. all right. So once you've done that, just click launch instances. All right, this is pretty straightforward, and as you can see, your instances are now launching. Okay, so you can click on this, and here you shall see here the state here is pending. You can click the refresh button or the reload button, and this is gonna take at least like 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, reload, and the state now is running. Okay, see how fast this has been created. So all you had is to click on this. Okay, and you're gonna click on connect. Okay, so once you connect, so you're gonna click the RDP client. Okay, what you need to do is to download, and as you can see, this is information that you'll need. Okay, this is a public DNS. Okay, so this is IP address. Basically this is the IP address, and this is the username and password. And yeah, lastly, you can download the remote desktop file if you're on Windows Home or whatever Windows, and if you search remote desktop, okay, because this is by default, this is on every Windows 10. Okay, and if for some reasons your Windows, okay, your operating system does not have a remote desktop connection, then don't worry, just click this download remote desktop here. Okay, it has been downloaded. Just open it. When I click connect, okay, and here it's asking us for the password. Okay, it's asking us for the password. So now to get the password, guys, what click on get password. Okay, so now once you click on get password, here you have to upload that file, that PEM file. Okay, so browse your download, and here it is that we have this file is encrypted. Okay, so next we'll have to decrypt it. So now just as you can see, and click on decrypt password. Okay, and now the password has been decrypted, so just click on copied, and we're gonna paste the password in here. Click continue. Okay, and now as you can see, we have successfully created our RDP, and we can work on the RDP from now on. Okay, so this is how we launch an RDP, guys, a Windows Server RDP. Alright, so just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, you can minimize it now, you can maximize it, minimize it, and yeah, so guess what, as you can see, boom, we just did it. And now you can install your browser, you can install SQLite dumper, and so on. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Definitely give this video for a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna see you boys in my next one. And yeah, do leave me a comment, guys, if this works for you, if you have successfully launched your EC2 Windows Server RDP.